I'm planning a trip for the summer. I'm planning a trip for the summer. I've started a new exercise routine. I've started a new exercise routine. I'm learning to play the guitar. I'm learning to play the guitar. Let's go for a drink after work. Let's go for a drink after work. I'm reading a fascinating book at the moment. I'm reading a fascinating book at the moment. There's a new restaurant I've been wanting to try. There's a new restaurant I've been wanting to try. I'm thinking of going on a hike tomorrow. I'm thinking of going on a hike tomorrow. I'm planning a surprise for my partner's birthday. I'm planning a surprise for my partner's birthday. Let's meet for brunch this weekend. Let's meet for brunch this weekend. I've been listening to a great podcast recently. I've been listening to a great podcast recently. I've started taking dance lessons. I've started taking dance lessons. I'm trying to cut down on sugar. I'm trying to cut down on sugar. I'm considering adopting a cat from the shelter. I'm considering adopting a cat from the shelter. Let's go to the bookstore after lunch. Let's go to the bookstore after lunch. Have you seen the latest episode of that show? Have you seen the latest episode of that show? I just signed up for a cooking class. I just signed up for a cooking class. Have you heard the latest news? Have you heard the latest news? Let's try that new sushi place downtown. Let's try that new sushi place downtown. Have you done your Christmas shopping yet? Have you done your Christmas shopping yet? Do you want to grab dinner later? Do you want to grab dinner later? I've started working on my painting skills. I've started working on my painting skills. I'm thinking about learning to bake. I'm thinking about learning to bake. We should catch up over coffee sometime. We should catch up over coffee sometime. I've been working from home lately. I've been working from home lately. I'm meeting a friend for lunch tomorrow. I'm meeting a friend for lunch tomorrow. Can you recommend a good movie? Can you recommend a good movie? Let's organise a game night. Let's organise a game night. We should visit the art museum this weekend. We should visit the art museum this weekend. I've been learning Spanish. I've been learning Spanish. Have you checked the weather forecast? Have you checked the weather forecast? I'm going for a run after work. I'm going for a run after work. Can you suggest a good recipe for dinner? Can you suggest a good recipe for dinner? I'm looking forward to the football game this weekend. I'm looking forward to the football game this weekend. The sunset was stunning today. The sunset was stunning today. I really enjoy cooking Italian food. I really enjoy cooking Italian food. We should go on a road trip. We should go on a road trip. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. The kids have a soccer game tomorrow. The kids have a soccer game tomorrow. I've bought some fresh vegetables for dinner. I've bought some fresh vegetables for dinner. The gym was really crowded yesterday. The gym was really crowded yesterday. I've been working on this project for a week. I've been working on this project for a week. I'm going to visit my parents this weekend. I'm going to visit my parents this weekend. I need to do some grocery shopping. I need to do some grocery shopping. It's a great day for a bike ride. It's a great day for a bike ride. Do you know a good hotel in Paris? Do you know a good hotel in Paris? I should start packing soon. I should start packing soon. I've never been to a music festival before. I've never been to a music festival before. I need to pick up some dry cleaning. I need to pick up some dry cleaning. The weather's really nice for a picnic. The weather's really nice for a picnic. How was your day? How was your day? The cinema is just around the corner. The cinema is just around the corner. It's been a long week. It's been a long week. I've got a dentist appointment tomorrow. I've got a dentist appointment tomorrow. Can you help me with this puzzle? Can you help me with this puzzle? We're having a barbecue this Saturday. We're having a barbecue this Saturday. I've missed the bus this morning. I've missed the bus this morning. Have you seen that new Netflix series everyone's talking about? Have you seen that new Netflix series everyone's talking about? The stars are really bright tonight. The stars are really bright tonight. What time does the movie start? What time does the movie start? I can't find my car keys. I can't find my car keys. Do you know a good place for vintage clothes? Do you know a good place for vintage clothes? I haven't been sleeping well recently. I haven't been sleeping well recently. I'm looking for a new apartment. I'm looking for a new apartment. I've just started a new job. I've just started a new job. Good night. See you tomorrow. Good night. See you tomorrow. I can't believe it's already December. I can't believe it's already December. I'm trying to learn a new language. I'm trying to learn a new language. Do you want to join me for yoga class? Do you want to join me for yoga class? I think I'm coming down with a cold. I think I'm coming down with a cold. Do you know how to fix a leaky faucet? Do you know how to fix a leaky faucet? Can you recommend a good place for dinner? Can you recommend a good place for dinner? How are your kids doing in school? How are your kids doing in school? I can't find my glasses anywhere. I can't find my glasses anywhere. I forgot to bring my lunch today. I forgot to bring my lunch today. I think I left my wallet at home. I think I left my wallet at home. I'm thinking of redecorating my living room. I'm thinking of redecorating my living room. Have you tried the new yoga studio? Have you tried the new yoga studio? I love the new coffee place downtown. I love the new coffee place downtown. I haven't seen you in ages. I haven't seen you in ages. We should plan a picnic if the weather's nice. We should plan a picnic if the weather's nice. I missed my bus this morning. I missed my bus this morning. The traffic was terrible today. The traffic was terrible today. Do you know where I can find a good plumber? Do you know where I can find a good plumber? I have a lot of work to do this weekend. I have a lot of work to do this weekend. My car broke down. Can you give me a lift? My car broke down. Can you give me a lift? I overslept and missed my morning meeting. I overslept and missed my morning meeting. My neighbour's dog kept me up all night. My neighbour's dog kept me up all night. I can't wait for the long weekend. I can't wait for the long weekend. I forgot to water the plants. I forgot to water the plants. Let's grab breakfast before work tomorrow. Let's grab breakfast before work tomorrow. I'm trying to cut back on caffeine. I'm trying to cut back on caffeine. I've been meaning to call you. I've been meaning to call you. Can you help me pick a gift for our friend's birthday? Can you help me pick a gift for our friend's birthday? I haven't checked my email yet today. I haven't checked my email yet today. I've been thinking about getting a new haircut. I've been thinking about getting a new haircut. Have you checked out the new mall in town? Have you checked out the new mall in town?